This demonstration shows the correct use of wire-type high-low gauges. To use, unlock the retaining screw, depress both legs, turn 90 degrees to the weld prep and insert beyond the bore. Ensure the gauge is 90 degrees to the parent material. Tighten the locking screw and remove from the prep. This gauge reads the internal misalignment in millimeters. This gauge also has a root taper gauge. Unlock the retaining screw, depress the leg without the long taper and lock with the retaining screw. Keeping the gauge 90 degrees to the prep, insert the taper into the root gap until it touches both sides. Take the reading from where the root touched the gauge.